Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding your Mobile Legends account ID. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Finding the user ID of your Mobile Legends account is easy. When you are on the main dashboard of the app, tap your profile icon from the top left. Select Account from the left sidebar. Here on the top right of this account page, you'll see your account ID. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks.